Good morning, my friend. Today we are continuing to learn in English. We are going to learn daily action. Uyu munsi tugiye kwiga ibikorwa dukora buri munsi. Are you ready? Let's start. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. in the morning. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. in the morning. Byuka saa 12:30 za mu gitondo. I turn off my alarm. Nkazimya alarm. I get out of bed and start my day. Nkasohoka mu gitanda nkatangira umunsi. I stretch my arms and leg. Nkagorora amaguru n'amaboko. I open curtains. Nkafungura rido. I open curtains. I open the window. I open the window. Nkafungura idirishya. I make my bed. I make my bed. Nkasasa. I tidy up my bedroom. I tidy up my bedroom. Nkasukura icyumba ndaramo. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. Nkakaraba intoki. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. Nkoza amenyo. I wash my face. I wash my face. Nkoga mu maso. Nkakaraba isura. I take shower. I take shower. Nkajya koga muri douche. I dry my hair. I dry my hair. Nkumutsa umusatsi. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. Nkasokoza umusatsi. I put on makeup. I put on makeup. Nkitera makeup. I check my phone for message. I check my phone for message. Nkareba message muri telefone yanjye. I check my email on my laptop. I check my email on my laptop. Nkareba email muri laptop. I meditate 10 minutes. I meditate 10 minutes. Nkitekerezaho iminota 10. I do some exercise to stay fit. Nkakora imyitozo yoroheje ituma nkomeza kumera neza. I take my dog for walk. I take my dog for walk. Nkafata imbwa nkajya kuyitembereza. I watered plant in my garden. I watered plant in my garden. Nkuhira ibimera muri jaride. I prepare breakfast. I prepare breakfast. Nkategura ibiryo bya mu gitondo. I drink coffee every morning. I drink coffee every morning. Buri mu gitondo nywa ikawa. I usually have breakfast at 7:30 a.m. I usually have breakfast at 7:30 a.m. Mfata ibiryo bya mu gitondo saa 9:30. I eat healthy breakfast. I eat healthy breakfast. Nkarya intungamubiri mu gitondo. I take medication. I take medication. Nkafata ibinini. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. nkambara inkweto. I put on my jacket. I put on my jacket. Nkambara ikote. I wear my hat. I wear my hat. Nkambara ingofero. I leave home at 7:45 am. Mva mu rugo saa 9:45 za mu gitondo. I catch the bus to school at 8 o'clock. Mfata bisi ijya ku ishuri saa 2 za mu gitondo. I go to school on foot. I go to school on foot. Njya ku ishuri n'amaguru. I drive my car to work at 8:30 am. Ntwara imodoka njya ku kazi saa 2:30 za mu gitondo. I start studying at 8:30 am. Ntangira kwiga saa 2:30 za mu gitondo. I start studying at 8:30 am. I start working at 9 o'clock am. I start working at 9 o'clock am. Ntangira akazi saa 3 zuzuye za mu gitondo. I work on my computer. Nkorera kuri computer yanjye. I work on my computer. I attend meeting. Nitabira inama. I attend meeting. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more English learning stories. See you next time. Nibagirwe gukora subscribe na like kuri iyi video kugira ngo urusheho kwiga Icyongereza. See you next time. Tubonane ikindi gihe. Thank you for watching this video. I love you too much. Let's see you next